Khumalo. I'm the marketing manager. Amalusi Mbokazi. We were here last year to support the experience and we did well on stage. So ngizile la ngizosho nje ukuthi ngiyacela ukuthi yonke into iqala ngomthandazo phela ngomthandazo. So it will be a good favor. It will be a good favor for my festival, experiencing iqiniso this year to book my artist Amalusi Mbokazi. So on the day sangena ngo-12 so uyani imvula shuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona. So there is something that can happen this year. I think ukuthi siswami kumele sixhumane, then you book my artist and my artist in the relevant song. Yipe baba udodo. We want to see some bias people. So ngiyacela manje you can think. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. One last question.
From Select Africa TV, from Izoso News, from Omosa News. Depends on Umakhoba nje uthi angibongele ngenkazi ukuthi iyakwazi ukumkhulisa and futhi uyacela ukuthi wonke umuntu la abhale azokwazi baconsider abafike bezojabula into ebalekile ukuthi umuntu alethe istori sakhe khona.
All right, we are ending. It wasn't a question. Mubok. All right, another huge shout out to Perry and Shaki, one of our artists as a big corner. Is the God Abashana Tira, Abase Afro. You can add it on the list and then.
Ngiyakuzona ngikuma hayi nomzofabandi ke ngizwe umiliyoni
Nkosiyami nangu kusame emlandela laphayana namagada akhe uhleze busy Nkosiyami uchemeni uCEO uTreasurer that man over there, guys, this is the sister speaking, not the PR guru now. This is now the sister. Where is the team? Can I have the team in front here? Santa, Wandisa, Nonjabulo. Where is everyone? Come here, please. Sandega, please come to the front. Please come to the front. Mtata ngimazi splash. Amanda maningi la. Come inside. Come inside. Ungwenya Lapayana is coming, but I know that he's not. He's a very shy man. Nonjabulo. Oh, there you are. Sorry. Shotabada. Amate. Amate. Tanta. Isn't Tanta there? Amate, put Tanta up. Tell him to run. Is he coming? Tell him to please run. Amate, now you're seeing. Is he coming? Is he coming?
I know, that's a close. What is it? Good.
All right, guys. Here, you have This is Inkasi, guys. By the way, if you don't know, these are Ngwenya girls. Okay. So then is the Camilla. These are the Ngwenya girls. Tanta is, you also know him as a Splash. And of course Ngwenya Nkulu, which is the CEO, he's right there at the bottom. The reason why I'm calling everybody, I mean we do these things all the time, guys, but it's so nice to work within a family. It's so nice to do something that comes from the heart. It's so nice to be born and not being able to for anything, but for the fact that we're doing something for that. That is very fulfilling to us.
Now the fact that we're running more, again, Wing is right there at the bottom. Or various areas. And I'm going to leave it to you, my brother. I wanted to do like a little speech so that by the time that you arrive, you're here. So we share that way. But this is us, guys. This is the team. I'm Team Lana, but this is mainly us. And I just want to again tell the it's the support we need. We don't need much. We just need support. We need you guys to push for us. We need you guys to support us, come through. We need you guys to bring the ideas. We need to come together as Umashu. And again, when Uwenge started this, he started it from the heart and it's still from the heart. And that's the only way we're sustaining ourselves, is through doing. Of course, I'm a partnership partner. Of course, there's many relationships that we're building. But it really is about the heart. It really is about what we're doing. We're doing many things that are first of its kind. And there are times that when we sometimes and just say no, but no shy, you know. So we really appreciate you being here, and we hope that this will bring the support. But when you get to share that when before
Guys, uma competition.
Dingelele mina nonke ngizophumelele usuku namhlanje ngayeka zonke izinto engizenzayo bengibhizi eminyaka ngazi program ihambe kanjani kodwa-ke okwami ngishaya ukunibonga kodwa before ngibonge no engeneni emabhethini nini lo ngamba kodwa sikufuze lokhu ngikhathi siyakuthembisa ukuthi sona ukungena security ngoba into eyenzeka kakhulukazi kwangangeniza lokho siyakwazi khona ungenzeka ngeke bese i-event-ke sithi konke kwahamba kahle but kodwa esikujabulelayo abekho abantu abaningi ngoba yekuthi makudlula i-event siye e-police station siyo-check ukuthi akhona ama-cases akhona senzele ukuthi sibone ukuthi siqhuba kanjani ngonyaka olandelayo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi siyojabula ngoba siletha nje amapolisa kabza and futhi siyabathanda nabantu baseThekwini noma baseKwaZulu Natal ukuthi babe khona nabo babe part ye-event, ama-artist, abantu abadayisayo, security. Sithanda nje ukuthi ngathi singathatha abantu bakhona nakuyibona abasebenzayo bese-ke kube ukuthi nijabule. Siyazi i-media siyithanda kakhulu i-media ngoba iyakhuphula futhi iphinde ikwise futhi iphethe konke but iyakukhuthaza ukuthi wenze kahle. Bese ngingakhohlwa ukuthi angazi abantu esisebenzisana nabo abakhona la ngizange sababona kodwa sesama-partners with the Victoria team. Saqala nje city sponsor njengamanje alasesona sponsor sesama-partners lawe nje esihloniphana ngayo nangendlela esisebenza ngayo nabo bese futhi ngibonge kakhulu futhi uMakhoba uyingane yakhe uMakhoba because uyakwazi ukuthi njengoba ngikhona noma ingathi nje Makhoba hayi awenza into yakho uyawazi umsebenzi wakho khanga nomkhona happy girl happy girl make ngathi le happy girl kusasa cela ubuye uzongisiza ngavela athi ubhuti wami kulungile ngiyeza engazothi ungakho ushintshe umoya wakho ngahlale nje kodwa-ke